on catch. I have a feeling that that is this one. Squat rack, bench press rack, and as a dip station at the very back. So I degreased it to get all the human sweat off and dirt. I just generally cleaned it. Sanded it, rust converted it, so it's been treated for rust. I primed the areas of rust and then cleaned it again, sprayed the paint on, and then this is the epoxy paint. I did use the roller. Howdy. This is a squat rack that I saw on Facebook today. It was for free, but I didn't want to go out. So I said, if you'd like to bring it here, I'll give you 50 bucks. And he was like, done. And he was here within 30 minutes. This is a very lightweight squat rack. It's very easy to put together. Completely rusted, dirty, faded, and didn't look good. I'm using a different degreaser. So Bonza is a heavy duty, all-purpose super cleaner from XO2. It's also a degreaser, much more friendly one. So you don't have to pick this one up. Wiped over it to clean it. I sanded it with a metal brush. The rusty parts, wiped rust converter all over it. And then I used a tack cloth, spot primed it. Because of the smell, and this is odorless, it doesn't smell like anything. I'm in here right now, I don't smell it. From MTN, it's their water-based colors. Obviously it's not as great a color, like this pretty dull looking red. This McDonald type looking saucy color. Hello and welcome to the very next day. And it is time o'clock. You can buy it for $109 and it's a huge markup on stuff, hey? But this one, you get to save it from the landfill, so there's always that. But it is a good rack. One problem is there's a piece of forged metal inside one of the squat rack beams. In there's a piece of metal sticking out. So that piece of metal is around here. It gets stuck at a certain height. Stops here and it's just stopping it from falling. Hey, look at that. Lost me a sale this doing this. I like these ones. What I like about this is it's a pulley, pops, but you still gotta screw it out and then pop it out. Good ones that go like this. So you just move this. So it just pops in. 1, 2, 3, 12 spots of reference. And it goes all the way. Whoa! This is down at level 1. Each other's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots of adjustment. Boom. I mean, who's got a squat at this level? This is the level for dips. What's with the bar? I know it's there for adjustment. How are you supposed to do dips with that thing in the way? Problem is it's too wide for me. There was like 2 stands. I'm really looking forward to getting. That's just 2 stands, so then you can literally just move it rather than having to deal with this. Look how narrow this is. I'd be disappointed if I wanted it for dips. If I was buying this for the squat rack and the bench press, yeah, I'd think this is brilliant. I'd probably give it a 4. This one's going on Facebook right now. That one's adjustable. So on Facebook Marketplace, let's type in, does not have dip holders at the back. Squat rack. That one's on the Gold Coast at the moment. $150 it is. I have one of these already. I've refurbed this one already. But it's been sold just as a squat rack, so they've gotten rid of the bench. This is how I sold it. I sold one just like this for $100. I got it for free from someone in Brisbane who was throwing it out because it was rusted. I made it look pretty, sold it for $100. It's not adjustable. This one's fixed at the bottom. There's bolts there, so that's as wide as it is. You can't change it, but there's no dips, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be that adjustable. Did need a 6-foot barbell for this to fit. I'll take $100 for it because I paid 50 and then I refurbed it. So it's a $40 flip. How's that? Okay, I'll just start cleaning this now with a super cleaner.